In this video, we'll explain how to send WhatsApp messages once someone fills out your ads lead forms. First, log into your Business Manager and go to your Ads Manager account. Then, under the Ad Manager, check All Tools. Select Instant Forms. After selecting the Instant Forms, you will see all the forms you have under your Ads Manager. Now, go to CRM Setup and select Google Sheets. It will prompt you to sign in with Google Sheets, so sign in and provide the necessary access. Once connected, you need to integrate with your Google Sheets. You can create a new sheet and label it as needed. Now, copy the Google Sheet link and paste the URL in the CRM integration setup. Next, you will be asked to select the sheet and lead forms you want to connect. You can select your desired form. After that, it will ask if you want to sync existing leads to Google Sheets. Select the checkbox if required and click Connect. Only the contacts within the expiry days will be synced. Once connected, you'll see the data synced. You will have the Google Sheet lead forms. Now, whenever a new lead comes in, it will automatically be filled in the sheet. You can also send WhatsApp messages automatically when the leads are submitted through your ads using ExpressBot.